Hello and welcome to a quick channel update for Shawn and Belize. I've been having a lot of questions about why I haven't put out videos or when's the next video coming out. So I'm coming to you live from the jungles of Belize here. Okay, actually it's the jungles of New Jersey, and that's part of the reason why I haven't put out videos. How did I end up in New Jersey? Well, it's been a tough year. So I've had some medical issues. It started with, I'm going to give you a little wrap up here. Started with a tumor I developed. Came to New Jersey to have it assessed and looked at, scheduled a surgery. But before that surgery could even happen, I became symptomatic with a bilateral inguinal hernia. Did not want that to turn into an emergency surgery in Belize, so I came here for a surgery for that. However, that surgery nor the other one ever happened. No surgeon or hospital would touch me until I had my heart fixed. So I have a bicuspid aortic valve with severe stenosis and heavy calcification. So I will be having open heart surgery this week, and hoping that goes well. I'm trying to be brave about it, but it is without a doubt the scariest thing I have ever done. I still have plans to continue my channel, so hopefully this surgery goes well. The plan is to go back to Belize, be healthier and stronger than I've ever been, and get back on the road and do more videos. I was thinking about doing this as one video, showing you my entire journey through diagnosis and my hospital and recovery. But I think it'll motivate me even more to give you this update and let you tune in to see the rest. Motivate me to get better, and also motivate me to keep putting out videos. So it's not horrible. You can see I'm staying in a pretty nice place here in New Jersey. So every time I get on the road, man, I miss Belize because it is just too congested for me here, too many people. So even more motivation to get healthy, get back on the road, and get back down to Belize. My home, get back home. So that's the main reason there hasn't been any videos. Been having some health problems. Also got married this year. It's been a busy year. But hopefully we'll get back, get some more videos out for you. Please stay tuned. Give me a like. Let me know what you'd like to see or what you'd like to know about this little health journey I'm going through. And try and answer any questions in the next video. All right, thanks, and hopefully see you real soon.